Hello everyone! Welcome to Cupid's Cooking!
Who doesn't love the traditional Thai dessert called mangostickyrice? This dessert is made of glutinous rice, coconut milk, sugar, and fresh ripe mangoes. But today, I'm going to put a twist into this dessert by adding pandan leaves as an added flavor and sweet coconut or macapuno. I'm very proud to say that we have the best macapuno products in the Philippines, so you better check them out. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. Please put your paper and pen on for the ingredients. You will need 300 grams of glutinous rice. You have to wash the rice and soak it in water for half an hour and drain it. You also need 300 grams of room temperature water, 250 grams of coconut cream or milk, 100 grams of white sugar, 130 grams of sweet coconut. Of course, you may add more if you wish to. 2 large sweet ripe mangoes, 2 pandan leaves, and half teaspoon of salt. And for the sauce, you'll need 130 grams of coconut cream and 65 grams of sweet condensed milk. So let's start cooking! Turn your heat on to medium and combine in a pan the glutinous rice, water, and coconut cream. Stir to combine. Add the pandan leaves and season with salt. Continue stirring for 10 minutes or until the rice absorbs the water and coconut cream. I wish you were here in my kitchen to smell that sweet aroma of the pandan leaves and coconut. It smells amazing. Continue stirring until you reach the same consistency. Please be mindful of the heat. If you think brown bits are forming at the bottom of the rice, reduce the heat to low. Add the sugar and sweet coconut or macapuno. Stir until well combined. Switch the heat to low and cover the rice for 45 minutes or until it is cooked, stirring every 10 to 15 minutes to prevent browning at the bottom. Once the rice is cooked, remove the pandan leaves and leave it to cool down.
To make the sauce, combine the coconut cream and sweet condensed milk in a small pot and simmer until sauce thickens. Set aside to completely cool down. And now, we're ready to plate our mango and sticky rice. To serve, scoop a good amount of sticky rice and put on a plate. Layer the cut mangoes on top and drizzle with sauce. So there you have it. Our mango and sticky rice is ready. Let's dive in and enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.